Hi, this is Judge Herb Dodell. Sexual harassment. That's what's going on in the news. I just heard about Morgan Freeman being accused of sexual harassment. It's almost every day some other celebrity, not even celebrities, are getting accused of all of this. It goes the range from just saying to somebody, "You got great legs, honey," or something like that, to the Harvey Weinstein. It goes the range. The real problem with it is, when is it really sexual harassment and when isn't it? Is making a comment about somebody that you meet in both directions, men speaking to women, women speaking to men, talking to each other, what is sexual harassment? But the real issue ultimately, because I was thinking about this thing with Morgan Freeman, what are her damages? He said something to her, maybe, in whatever condition he was in, maybe. What are her damages? $1 million? $5,000? Is it about the money? Is it about, why are these people coming out of the woodwork now saying it said he made a nasty comment about me? Since when does that reach the level of sexual harassment? In fact, Gary even mentioned to me one time, what if I put my hand on somebody's knee in a bar? Is that considered a sexual harassment? Well, it might be considered an assault, but look at the degree. It's a nothing. Get up and walk away. The problem is that people are magnifying a definition and are trying to milk it for some other ulterior motive. And we don't know where this is going. It means that anytime you're talking to anybody, especially a stranger, you have to watch every word that you say. You can't even insult anybody, because if you insult them, that could be considered sexual harassment too. And there you know, you're in court. And you know where you could go? Small claims court. That's an interesting place to go. Somebody assaults you in that simple fashion, not really hurting you in any way. And remember, assault is no touching. Assault is basically the anxiety and the effect that you have on a person by saying something or doing something. It's different than a battery. A battery is the actual touching. So in Gary's story about the bar putting a hand on a leg, that's more of a battery. What does it take to be convicted of a battery? When I say convicted, I'm talking criminally. The chances are law enforcement's not going to do anything about it, because they recognize how silly it would be. But in a civil sense, you have a technical assault and battery. Small claims court, you can go up to $10,000, but you need to prove damages. I talked about a case not too long ago where a lady was damaged by a credit agency reporting personal data. She claimed she was damaged, but she had no proof that she suffered any real damage, economically, emotionally, or otherwise. And so it's all about damages. And if you're looking for a lawyer and you find somebody who's willing to take your case because somebody put their hand on your knee, that lawyer is not very busy. And so we should look at what we're doing now with our voices and with our conduct. So you want to know more about it? Call me. Contact me at askjudgeherb@gmail.com. I talk a little bit about it, including cyberbullying, in the book, From the Trench to the Bench, Navigating the Legal System and Finding Your Spiritual Path Along the Way. Contact me. I love to answer the inquiries. We're here to help you. If you want to know if it's just information, happy to do that. If you need some tips and some guidelines, we're happy to do that too. No advice, but we're happy to help you navigate through the system. So be careful who you're talking to.